If you're new to video editing or you want to learn how CapCut works, this is the only video you would need to see to understand everything CapCut can do. And if you're always forgetting what or where things are in CapCut, just watch this video. In this first video, I'll walk you through everything CapCut has to offer, and in upcoming videos, I'll show you how to actually get practical with CapCut. And if you're a business owner or an entrepreneur, or even a video editor that would love to work with businesses, you need to watch this video to the very end, because CapCut has some special tools for business people. A quick disclaimer, this is a free CapCut course, and this is just one out of many. So this video is going to be beginner and surface level, just exploring what CapCut can do. And in other videos, we're about to go wild and do some amazing edits. Stay tuned, watch to the very end, subscribe to this channel, and you don't want to miss anything. So without wasting your time, let's just get into this CapCut playlist. So I just opened CapCut app, and this is the interface right here for CapCut. You have new projects, then you have AutoCut, retouch, and many more. You can see the projects right here. If this is your first time using CapCut, you wouldn't have anything right here because you have 0 projects. These are just videos or images or whatever you've worked on in the past, you have them there. And this is the edit tab. This particular interface you see first is called the edit tab. You can see it down here. Then we have our templates, TikTok templates, and things you can work with to make interesting videos. We have inbox, and also we have the me section, just your CapCut account, and that's it. So for this particular video, we're going to focus on all tools. This is literally going to tell us everything CapCut can do. There's more to it, but these are like the major ones. But once we go down to new projects, as you can see new projects down here, we can explore other things CapCut can do. So let's just get straight into it. We have the retouch option. As you can see here, retouch. This basically is just a beauty feature. You can just pick a picture of yourself or whatever, and very simple, it beautifies you, clears your acne, whatever. If you have concerns about your skin, you can see simply, very quick, you can do whatever you need to do. When it comes to beautifying yourself, this is what you need to do right here. And that's it when it comes to retouch. Like I said, we'll explore more on it later. So as you can see, the new project I just worked on is showing right here. I can just click on these 3 dots right here and click delete or upload to space, which is like online cloud. I'm just going to delete it. So yes, back to tools again. Auto caption. I'm pretty sure everyone knows what auto caption is. It's very simple. You pick a video that has an audio or whatever. Let me look for a video. Okay, let me just get this video right here. Very simple. And yeah, it's just going to generate or transcribe rather whatever the man is saying, and it's very simple. You have different templates you can work with. I'm pretty sure we've all seen that. So this is also one thing CapCut can do. You just click on auto captions and you click on generate. You click a template you want, and that's very simple. I'm not going to explore more on that. Same thing here, delete. The next feature is teleprompter. If you don't know what teleprompter is, this is actually very simple. If you don't want to forget your script while you're reading or while you're making a video, you can just use the CapCut app. Then you just put your script right here, and it's simple. So while you're making a video, you can also read your scripts at the same time. Teleprompter is actually very easy. So if you have CapCut, you have that. Very simple. The next on the line is camera. Yes, click on camera, and you can actually use like CapCut special effects and things like that, as you can see right here. So if you want like some special effects or whatever, you can just apply it directly on your face while making a video. So these things, they sound simple, they look mundane, but the more you start making videos, they start to make a lot of sense. Now we're getting to the interesting part, auto enhance. This is actually the perfect one right here. This feature takes whatever you put into it. If it's blurry, you see, enhance quality in one tap. So just click on it, next, and it takes that video or that image, it converts it from low quality to high quality. You can see right here. Luckily for me, the picture I currently added is already high quality, so I don't have to stress so much about that. But yeah, if you have a blurry picture or whatever, no problem. Just bring it into CapCut. CapCut will fix it for you. Next on the list is adjust speed. This feature allows you to create slow-mo videos or fast-paced videos. And also it has some templates you can work with. There's a video I have here that I made today. So very simple. You can just speed up the video, make it very quick, or slow it down, make it very slow, and that's it. So this is just basically make your video fast or make your video slow. Later, I will tell you other things you can do. There are templates you can work with to give it all these very, very nice cinematic or action looking effects. But yeah, that's it for slow-mo. Let's just leave right now. Guys, remember, this is just a basic level. If you've never used CapCut before, you're new to it. So yeah, it might sound really simple, but I'm just trying to explore everything CapCut has to offer. And yeah, we'll move on into more practical stuff in the next video. So record option. This is very simple. It's just for voiceovers. I'm going to bring in this picture of me again. Don't get tired of seeing my face. And you can see the microphone option right here. You click on it, you speak, you say whatever you have to say. And once you're done, right there, you can enhance your audio and also add like effects to the audio. And you can see also you have a teleprompter effect. So yes, you can just click on teleprompter and have your script right here. And just type whatever you need to type so you don't forget your lines. You can see, very simple. So a lot of people don't know this about CapCut, but yeah, it has all this amazing feature. The next is collage. Very simple. You just bring multiple materials together and you mix them up. I went for a run today, so yeah, I did actually work with collage this morning, and it's very simple. You bring your videos together, you choose the layouts you want, and that's it. Yeah, there are other features and other things you can do. Aspect ratio, you can make it Instagram size, then you choose the layouts however you like it, and that's it. Yeah, so you have multiple videos playing at the same time. Yeah, we'll explore more on this later and things like that, but yeah, that's what collage is, in case you're wondering what collage is. Just mixing multiple pictures, videos together all in one frame. Then the last one is frame capture. Frame capture basically just means screenshot. That's what frame capture is. So let's say you have a video. Let me show you what this is. If you have a video that you like and there's a particular frame in the video that you like so much, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about now. So I like this first frame. I'm going to click capture. So now this first frame right here, is now a picture. I go to the next. Let's say I like this transition right here also. I can just click on capture. Now this is a picture. So by the time I click export up here, all this will be saved on my mobile device as pictures. So that's literally what that is. It just takes screenshots it just takes pictures of like specific frames or specific parts of the video and turns them into pictures for you. So yeah, and I'm just going to exit right now. So yeah, that's it for the first part, quick actions. Now we go to AI tools. Things are getting more interesting. The first on the list for AI tool is AutoCut. This is very simple. You just literally use AI to edit your videos for you. That's literally what AutoCut is. I'm just going to take, let's say this video right here, and I click next. So rather than you doing the cutting and the editing and everything by yourself, AI will literally do everything for you. Yeah, so what this does is it uses popular templates from TikTok and popular music and things like that, and it just turns them into a video for you. So for beginners, I would definitely advise this for you. Just straight up use AutoCut. It's very, very simple. So guys, the next on the list is AI avatars. Very simple. Let me explain what AI avatar means to you. It's very simple. So AI avatar allows you to turn a picture into videos. So as you can see, this picture of me right here is just a static picture. But with AI avatar, as you can see this picture of this guy right here, these are our pictures. But you can see he's moving as if he's a real person. It's not a real person, just a picture. And yeah, CapCut turns it into a video. So if you're a business person, you're really busy, you can work with this. But remember, like I said, you can bring your own pictures, but they don't accept every picture. So you have to like put in really good pictures, then they'll accept it. Yeah, very simple. Just click on next. You put in the text you want, whatever you wanted the avatar to say, like I. So now, yeah, the AI avatar is ready. I noticed there was actually a typo in what I wrote. So I'm just going to play this. So it's going to say, hi, this is Ola. Hi, this is Ola. So next on the list is video translator. Like the name implies, it's very simple. You just bring in a video, no stress, and it translates whatever the video is saying into French, English, whatever you can see. Select target language. I can just pick Chinese. Yes, I want it lip sync. Then just apply, and that's it. It's a very, very niche option, but it's good to know that CapCut can also like translate your videos for you into like different languages. So this final one right here, AI dialogue scene, is similar to AI avatars. But the difference is with AI avatars, you're working with just one character, but with AI dialogue scene, you're working with multiple characters. So yeah, if I select, you can see right here, dialogue scenes, makes the character in your photo talk, sing, or react. For multiple characters, you can pick who talks. So you can see, for AI character, you have just one person. For AI dialogue scenes, you have multiple characters. So rather than just one me talking right now, I would have me and someone else talk, and that's literally what this one is. Guys, remember, I would explore more of this later. If you've made it this far to marketing tools, then you're about to get the secrets that most people in CapCut don't even talk about. Everyone talks about editing videos with CapCut, editing this, editing that, but they don't actually talk about this feature here. Especially if you're a business person, you want to use this feature I'm talking about. These marketing tools, you must definitely use them. As you can see right here, it lets you advertise your pictures, your products in very unique ways. So just take a picture of your product on a table, on whatever, and see. Guys, look at this. From that to this. This is literally what this can do for you. So you sell shoes, you sell perfumes, you sell whatever. You definitely want to use this feature. A lot of people don't talk about it. And we have like a bunch of other options like that. Can you see right here? This is what I'm talking about. So if you are someone that sells products, this is a feature in CapCut that you want to 100% use. You can see you have multiple options, countertops. Let's say you sell like kitchen accessories and things like that, outdoors, interior, whatever. You have different backgrounds, different templates to work with. So that is the first one right there. So amazing. You need to definitely give it a try. The next one is AI posters. So guys, AI posters, very simple. If you want posters for your business, as you can see right here, as you can see, up to 50% off, branding and other things. So if you want posters for your business, whatever your business is, select the category of business right here, jewelry, accessory, food and beverages, whatever, any, just select it. Put it a prompt, I want this, I want this, I want this, I want this. And yeah, AI will get it done for you. We also have advanced scripts. You can do like a whole lot of other things. So if you want to create a poster for you and you don't have the money to hire an editor, just use AI for a start. So yeah, that's it. Very good, guys. And this final one, I know a lot of people that work in fashion. This is a perfect one for you. You've been thinking, how can I showcase my clothes? How can I showcase this? How can I showcase that? This is one thing you need to know. Let's say, for instance, you sew like a clothes. You can see right here. AI is literally just going to take whatever clothes you have and apply it on the model's body, and you can select different poses. So now, right now, I'm wearing this sweater, and AI will transfer the clothes I'm wearing to the body of a particular model. So let me just take hoodie category, and you can see with this particular pose this guy is wearing, AI will transform that cloth I'm wearing to what he has here. So yeah, let's just do this right now. Let's pick a pose, yeah, and click generate, and it's just going to generate that, and you'd see the particular clothes I'm wearing is going to be on this guy. It's so amazing. So for a fashion designer, a stylist, or whatever, you do illustrations for clothes and brands, this is a feature you want to use. You want the client to see how the clothes will look on people's body. This is it for you. It's very easy. So guys, you can see what we have here. This was the sweater I was wearing, and you can see it has been applied on the model's body. Same style, but with a pose. Even though it was just showing part of my body. You just click save, and you have it on your phone, and that's it. So whatever style you want, you just select. Whatever pose you want, you click on it, and it does it. So if you're a designer and you need someone to like show off your clothes, whatever, these are the trending styles and things like that, just select the model, and yeah, and that's it. We have many more, and in the next video I'll be going into new projects, and I'll show you how to actually start creating amazing videos in CapCut. You've made it this far, so don't just stop here. Continue with this playlist and learn as much as possible about CapCut, or check out other interesting videos on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.